going to be airing down before we hit the trail. And to do that, we're going to be using the handy dandy deflator hose, which allows us to inflate, and in this case, deflate all 4 tires at the same time. This is the control valve. We're going to open it up, start connecting the air chucks. We're airing down. Close the valve. We're going to air down to about 12 psi today. Deeper than I thought. At the end of the trail, we need to be able to air up our tires. So where the deflator hose had helped us air down, now it'll help us air up. All we have to do is plug into the air compressor and hook up the hoses. That's what we want. This DEFLATORHOSEN is a prototype built to prove the concept of a 4-way tire inflator, and it works. But we know that we can make improvements. So on the next episode of DEFLATORHOSEN, we will show you what we have come up with. Stay tuned. Tell us in the comments section below whether you use a 4-way air hose or if you prefer a single air hose and air up 1 tire at a time. Or perhaps you do them in pairs. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you again soon.